Hi guys! So today you are going to learn about some of my art supplies, okay? And all of my art supplies are magic, but keep it a secret, okay? Some of my Anderson kids already know this stuff, but all my art supplies are magic and they all talk and they all have names. How cool is that? So, Papa Paintbrush is the head of the art supplies, but Papa Paintbrush is married to Mama Marker, okay? And this is Mama Marker. All the markers' names are Mama Marker. And Mama Marker, she says something whenever you put her hat back on her. So this is her hat right here. The lid is her hat. And listen to this really closely. Did you hear that? Let's listen again. Did you hear that? That snap is actually Mama Marker, and that's their language. Just like we have different languages here. We have English and Italian and Spanish and Vietnamese. Well, this is the art language, and I'm the interpreter, okay? And that is Mama Marker, and she said, thank you. So you got to make sure anytime you take the lid off of Mama Marker, we put her hat back on her and make sure she says something. She says, thank you. All right, so next, this is Patty the pencil, and Patty the pencil, she doesn't really talk a whole lot. She talks when she draws with her, talks when she erases with her, but you always got to make sure to wipe up all the pencil shavings, or the eraser shavings, okay? Next one is Cousin Glue Stick. Now, Cousin Glue Stick, he was in the military, and people in the military have to keep their hair a certain way. They have to keep their hair really, 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 really short. So, do you see how short the purple part is his hair, okay? Do you see how short his hair is? His hair is super duper short. So, guess what happens if he grows his hair out really long? He just cuts it all off. If you try to use it like this right here with his hair really long, it'll just cut off all his hair. And you'll have all kinds of this gross Cousin Glue Stick hair on your artwork. And you don't want that, do you? No, we don't want that. So we're going to keep his hair really, really short. Now, Cousin Glue Stick, since he's in the military, he has really good manners too. And he has a hat that goes back on his head too. And what do you think his hat says? Or he says when you put his hat back on him? He also says, thank you. But he's in the military, so and he's a dude, so his voice is really deep. So he says, thank you. So we got to make sure that we put the hat back on him. Make sure to keep his hair really, really short, right? Awesome. Now, next one that I need to talk to you about. This, her name is Sister Scissors. Now, Sister Scissors doesn't talk a whole lot, but when she does, it's really important. So, whether I'm here or whether Miss Utzman's here or anybody else, whoever is here in charge of you, they're going to be listening while we use Sister Scissors, okay? And Sister Scissors has to stay below your nose. So keep it below your nose. And there's no reason to be getting up when you use Sister Scissors, okay? And actually, Sister Scissors, we don't even need to open her up unless there's paper in between. So watch this. I'm going to take a piece of paper here. And I'm going to take Sister Scissors, okay? And see how my fingers don't all fit? That's fine if your fingers don't all fit. You only actually need one finger in there to even make it work, okay? So fit as many as you can, but we're going to open the scissors up when we have paper in between. So watch this. I pull the paper up to the scissors, and then I open it up, and I chomp, okay? So, I pull the paper to it, open the scissors up, and chomp. Did I open the scissors before the paper got to the scissors? Nope. Scissors were closed the entire time, right? Pull the paper up to the scissors, open, chomp. Now, Sister Scissors only talks when people are not being safe with her. So, I or Miss Utzman will be listening, okay? And let's listen. You want to hear Sister Scissors talk? Yeah, let's listen. Did you hear that? That was Sister Scissors saying, oh no, Miss Rowe, Miss Utzman, come save me, come save me, come save me. I might get someone's eyebrow. Oh no, oh no, oh no. So, if Miss Utzman or I hear Sister Scissors talking, we're going to come swipe her from you, and you don't get to use scissors anymore, okay? We have to be really safe with scissors. So, those are all the art supplies that we're going to be using today, and I hope that I don't hear Sister Scissors talk, and I hope I hear lots of Mama Markers and Cousin Glue Sticks snapping back on. So, All right, guys, happy making!